Hello students. So dear students, after revision of short writing skills, we are going to discuss long writing skills. So today in this class we are going to discuss letter to editor. Okay dear students, so let us begin. As we all are aware that letter to editor comes under formal letter. It's a type of formal letter. So the format for writing this letter is also formal. So what is the format of a formal letter? First we write sender's address. Sender's address, then leave a blank line, after that date, then receiver's address, after leaving a blank line once again, receiver's address, okay dear students, after writing receiver's address, once again leave a blank line, then subject, after subject salutation, sir or madam. If we don't know the gender of the person whom we are writing the letter, in that condition we should write sir. In that condition we should always write sir. Okay dear students, so I hope you all know about it. After this we know that body of the letter, let me rub it. After that body of the letter, after that body of the letter, that is content, should be in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay, as we all know dear students, then leave a blank line once again, then yours, subscription, yours truly, whatever the name given in the question. Okay, we are not supposed to write our name. So this is the format for writing a letter to editor. Not for writing a letter to editor, for writing all types of formal letters. Okay, so after format, let us write a sample example, a sample letter for the same, to understand it in a better way. Already we have gone through it, so we know all the things. What are the things which we must keep remembering, while writing a letter to editor? So dear students, first of all, we all know that editor is not a problem solver. He will just publish your letter in the newspaper, and he is a medium for drawing the kind attention of the authority concerned. So we most of the time students make this mistake. They write, I would like to draw your kind attention. So we should never write, I would like to draw your kind attention in a letter to editor, as an editor is not a problem solver. Instead, we should write, through the columns of your steam newspaper, I would like to draw the kind attention of the authorities concerned, or I wish to draw the kind attention of the authorities concerned. Okay? Dear students, we can start writing a letter to the editor by three ways. If we want to draw the kind attention of the authorities, in that condition we should write, through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I wish to draw the kind attention, I wish to draw the kind attention of the authorities concerned. Through the columns of your steamed newspaper or steamed daily, I wish to draw the kind attention of the authorities concerned. We will start our paragraph writing a letter to editor with this paragraph. You can this can be the opening paragraph of your letter. But in case you don't want to draw the kind attention of authorities, you just want to create an awareness. So in that condition, you should write, let me rub it. Through the columns of your steamed newspaper, through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I would like to express my views on the subject mentioned above. If you are writing a letter to express your views, in that condition you should start with these lines. Through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I would like to express my views on the subject mentioned above. Never write, through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I would like to draw your kind attention. We cannot write this way because the editor is not a problem solver. Okay? So you should keep in mind. Third possible paragraphs are, through the columns of your steamed daily I would like to create an awareness regarding the subject mentioned above. Okay, dear students, through the columns of your STEAM daily, I would like to create an awareness regarding the subject mentioned above. So, dear student, these are the possible paragraphs by which we can start writing a letter to editor. It depends on you which type of letter in which reference you are going to write. Okay, dear students, it depends on you. What is your topic, whether you want to attract, whether you want to draw the attention of authority, whether the involvement of authority is required to solve the issue, or you just want to express your views, or you want to create awareness. Okay, so these are three ways which are possible to start such types of letter. So now, dear students, let us discuss more about it and go through solved examples and also questions for practice. Dear student, one thing, first correct the spelling of create. It should be CREATE. So by mistake I did not write E there. Okay, so now let us go through some important points regarding a letter to editor and solved examples and questions for practice. Letter to the editor. As we all know that these letters give suggestions, create awareness on an issue of public interest or an issue already raised in an article or write-up. Points to remember: draw the attention of the concerned authorities, general public, towards the problem, not the editor, which I have just explained you, dear students. Draw the attention of concerned authorities, okay, general public, towards the problem, not the editor. Request the concerned authorities. It should be concerned. Earlier you have written concerned, so correct that one. It should be concerned. Okay, authorities concerned, the earlier paragraphs which you have written just now. Request the concerned authorities to take the action, not the editor. It is not a direct request. While dealing with social, civic problems, provide suggestions to curb or control in the end. Raise the issue by citing some latest news items, survey report, personal experience, etc. Analyze the issue in terms of its causes and consequences. Conclusion to be positive, straightforward with the pleasant tone and use of polite language. Okay, so these are the points which you must remember while writing a letter to editor. Now let us go through a solved example. You are Rekha Rakesh, a student of Bharti Public School, class 12th. The students are requested to cope up with a lot of stress in today's competitive environment. Write a letter to the editor highlighting increased stress faced by students and suggesting ways and means to combat it. So first of all, dear students, as you all know, you have to write your own address, then date, then the editor, the Times of India, okay, whatever it is, then subject. After subject there should be only colon, as you can see here. Okay, many students after subject they put dash. It is not accepted. Only colon should be there. Then salutation. Sir, after sir there is no comma, it is here by mistake. So okay, you are not supposed to put comma after sir. Through the columns of your STEAM newspaper, I would like to express my views on the problem of increasing stress among the students due to highly competitive environment. In the first paragraph, you will have to give the introduction about what you are going to write. So, through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I would like to express my views on the problem of increasing stress among the students due to highly competitive environment. Then next paragraph. Today's world is full of competition. Every now and then a child is assessed on different parameters. Parents expect a lot from their child. They want their child to excel in all the fields such as studies, sports and co-curricular activities. Everyone wants their child to be a doctor or an engineer. The result is that children are unduly stressed and burdened. All day long, they are indulged in completing their homework and studies, and no time is left for games and sports. So here, dear students, in the second paragraph, you have elaborated the subject about what you are writing. What is the problem is faced by the students, and because of that problem, what problem the students are facing, okay, and what is the consequence of that problem you have mentioned here. Now last paragraph you will have to give suggestion and request. It is high time we should ponder upon this problem. Students should be involved in games, sports and yoga to combat stress. Parents should not pressurize their children for performing excellently in studies. Meditation can be practiced for keeping stress at bay. Okay. then yours sincerely after leaving a blank line, no comma after yours sincerely. Okay, no comma should be there. Rekha Rakesh. So this way, dear students, we write a letter to the editor. It depends on what is the topic, whether it requires the attention of the authorities to be drawn, or it is just your opinion, or you are creating awareness among people. You must mention all these things. Now here questions for practice. You are Kavita Kailash, staying at B101 Yamuna Vihar, Delhi. You find it disturbing that despite a ban on the use of polythene bags, its use is rampant in the city. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily expressing your concern about the apathy of people towards environmental degradation. Also suggest ways to mobilize city dwellers for the cause of safe environment with the help of the school children. Next one. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper drawing attention of the authorities to the evil habit of overcharging by the auto drivers. Invent necessary details. So this is the these are two questions for practice, dear students, for a letter to editor given here. Now here I am going to give you one more letter for practice. So I am going to write the question on the board and you will have to copy it from there. You are Amit Amita. Question number 3. You are Amit Amita living at F25 at F25 Shalimar Colony, New Delhi. You have observed that many school-going children observed that many school-going children drive around on bikes without a valid driving license, a valid driving license thereby endangering their own lives. Let me rub it. Okay. Thereby endangering their own lives as well as their now write it down. Let me rub it. You can also take the screenshot. Now I am going to rub it. You can also pause the video and write down. Of their own lives as well as those of others. Of their own lives as well as those of others. Write a letter to the editor write a letter to the editor of a national daily, editor of a national daily is not the name of newspaper. You can write here name of any newspaper. Okay, national daily with a view to sensitizing with a view to sensitizing students about the risk about the risk involved in underage driving. Involved in underage driving. Okay, also give suggestions. Also give suggestions. Okay, dear students. So it's all about letter to editor. So we have gone through the paragraphs through which we can start such types of letter, and we have also gone through the solved letters and also questions for practice have been given. So whatever the questions are given, dear students, you must practice them sincerely if you want to score better. Also, dear students, you have got a supporting material which I have shared in the group. That supporting material is having all the things of your syllabus. You will find plenty of examples of writing skills and also there are important points regarding chapters of literature, and questions, solved questions are there, unsolved questions are there for practice. So it is very useful supporting materials which you must practice, but please don't practice the deleted chapters. Deleted chapters are also there, so you need not go through them. Okay, apart from those chapters, all chapters given in that supporting material is very important. So dear students, you must go through that supporting material. It is very useful for you. So thank you dear students for watching this video. See you tomorrow with a new topic.